Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to recycle old shirt. Let's get into the video. First step, I'm going to remove my pocket and sleeves. Don't throw any piece of fabric. You will see why. Now next, I'm going to make skirt. For that, measure your waist and add 1 or 2 inch extra for seam allowance. I like to wear high waist, so I will measure above my navel. And from where my waist is, I am going to measure my length of the skirt. Now here is a quick tip. You have to divide all your measurement into half. And how I do it is I fold my measuring tape into half and I'll get exact half measurement. And here is my half measurement. I will trace it on the fabric. It is including extra seam allowance. And I will also mark the length. And then I will make a straight line and chop off the extra fabric. Next, I will trace the front part of my skirt and add 2 inches more extra because we all have tushies and we have to give them some space, right? Now stitch the skirt from side and make it one large piece. Now to make a waistband, I am going to double fold it and stitch it like this. So here what I like to do is I want a fixed belt in front and a little ruched up at back. So I will not stitch the back completely. I will show you how. So here what I will do, I will make a small tunnel for my elastic. I will make 2 small cuts at the end and I am going to pin one end of the elastic and pass through all the elastic to the other end, and I will make a straight stitch to make sure that it stays in the place. So that is how our skirt will be ready in less than 30 minutes, and I will add all the extra details like buttons and pocket in the end. Now it's time to make the top. For this, I'm separating all the joints and ironing it so that I will have a straight fabric to work. Now for the front part, I'm going to use the sleeves. I will use both the sleeves and make my front part. Now for this, I'm going to trace my crop top and I'm going to add 2 inches because my crop top is stretchable and the fabric I am using is not. Now this was the extra piece of placket that was left, so I will place in front of my top. And for the back, I'm going to use a small piece and I will cut it into half and make it a large piece. You will see how I will make one large piece. Now I like to make my darts like this. I allow the fabric to naturally fall on my body and pin the extra fabric. You can also make one dart and trace onto the another. Now I am going to cut my armhole a little bit deeper. For darts, you can simply follow my step. And now I will finish my front part of my armhole and neckline. I am going to double fold it and stitch it. Now here comes my favorite part. Here is a simple way to have smocking effect. Add elastic to the back and make a zigzag stitch and you will end up with a beautiful smocking fabric. I am going to change my setting to zigzag stitch. Here how it will look. Now I have attached both the parts. Now I am going to make the straps and I will follow the same steps that I followed to make the back. Now to give more effect on my top, I added a piece of fabric to give illusion. Here how it will look. I have not attached the placket in front. I will attach it later. Before adding placket, I have to make a waist belt. Now whatever fabric is left, I am going to use. Now here is a rectangle piece of fabric I have to take out and I'm going to stitch all the three sides, and last fourth one I will attach to the top, and here how it will look. Now these days bustier top are in trend, so I decided to make it. I'm going to attach whatever crepe fabric I have and make ruching effect in front so that it will give a bustier look, and then I'm going to change the setting and gonna stitch it like this. In the end, I have added all the buttons and pocket to my skirt so that we can carry our cuteness in our little pocket. Hope you guys like the video. If you like the video, leave a thumbs up and do subscribe my channel because it's free. And you can also follow me on Insta and Snapchat. Links are in the description box. Thanks for watching.